Hello everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. In an E Prime exclusive, Jacure gives us everything. The track, which features Ghanaian reggae star Stonebwoy, was released on the weekend ahead of Jacure's undeniable album, which drops this Friday. Now in 2021, Stonebwoy and Jacure gave us a peek of the two in Jamaica working on new music. The video excited fans who were eager to see the two collab. Everything from the Grammy-nominated artist delivers a soulful hook lamenting a love gone bad. Like many of Cure's successful hits, he weaves relatable lyrics and sonic narrative. E Prime gives you an exclusive look at the unreleased video courtesy. Fans worldwide will have access to the visuals for everything later tonight. The track is produced by Jacure and Swedish producer K1. This is the first single from the 11-song project, which also sees the title track Undeniable featuring Kaylan Arnold. According to VP Records, the album delivers an overall passion and romance wrapped in heartfelt lyrics and a cutting-edge sound. Undeniable from the incarcerated DJ follows on the heels of his recent heartfelt apology to his fans, where Cure said, quote, "My message to my fans is I apologize for this situation I got myself caught up in. I would like to give this album to you as a special gift from me to you. Until we see each other soon, I will have some interesting songs to share with you." End quote. Jacure, who is currently serving 6 years in prison in Amsterdam, after being found guilty of attempted manslaughter. Now, I Am Legend 2 confirmed. The sequel is set to see Michael B. Jordan joining Will Smith, and if Will Smith returns, then you can guess that it won't continue from where it left off. In an interview with Dateline on Wednesday, producer Goldman's revealed that the 2007 horror blockbuster is set to follow an alternative ending in which Will Smith's character didn't die. He says the film's story will focus on a few decades later than the first, tracing back to the original Matheson book, while also exploring the ramifications of its alternate ending. Goldman did not divulge the role Jordan will play. I Am Legend was one of the top-grossing films in 2007, making $77 million in the opening weekend. Still in theaters, Lady Gaga gave Joker fans a first look of the two actors in the upcoming musical sequel, Joker, Folie à Deux on Tuesday. Now, Gaga shared photos on social media, which sees the singer-turned-actress and Phoenix with red lipstick smudged all over his face. In the film, Gaga plays the love interest of Phoenix. Joker's sequel is set for release in October. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.